1 Minute English. In this 1-minute lesson, we are going to have a look at the difference between using a and the. A, or an, is used when we introduce something for the first time. The is used the next time. For example, there is a pencil on the table. The pencil is short and black. A, or an, is for something general or unspecific. The is for something specific. For example, please take a fruit. Please take the orange. The other fruits are rotten. A, or an, is used when we are unsure about something. The is used when it is clear what we mean. For example, is there a hospital near here? Yes, the hospital is very near here. Give it a go. Try making a sentence and leave it in the comments below.